What if one of the most powerful healing tools on earth wasn't found in a pharmacy, but in your kitchen? It's small, it's smelly, and it's been saving lives for thousands of years. It's not a supplement. It's not a new health trend. It's garlic, nature's pungent healer. In this video, you're going to discover the incredible science behind garlic. From fighting off infections to lowering blood pressure, detoxifying your body, and even enhancing endurance, this humble bulb is loaded with life-changing benefits. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to unlock its full potential and avoid one common mistake that destroys its healing power. Let's start with its secret weapon, a compound called allicin. When garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, this compound is released, and it's what gives garlic both its unmistakable smell and its potent antimicrobial effects. Allicin has been shown to kill bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. During flu season or when your immune system feels run down, a little raw garlic can make a big difference. But that's just the beginning. Garlic also helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol. In several human studies, people who took garlic supplements saw a significant drop in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, rivaling some medications. It's like your heart's natural shield, helping blood flow smoothly and preventing dangerous clots. Now here's a wild fact. Garlic can help remove heavy metals from the body. In one study of factory workers exposed to lead, garlic reduced lead levels in the blood by nearly 20%, and even reduced headaches and blood pressure in the process. Who would have guessed this ancient kitchen staple could also be a detox powerhouse? Let me share a story. In ancient Egypt, garlic was so highly valued it was used as currency. Pyramid builders were given garlic to boost their strength and stamina, and now science shows they weren't wrong. Garlic can improve physical performance by enhancing oxygen usage and reducing exercise fatigue. One athlete even reported switching from energy drinks to raw garlic shots before training and claimed his endurance improved dramatically. But here's the catch, and most people miss this. Allicin is extremely sensitive to heat. If you cook garlic too long or at too high a temperature, its healing powers vanish. The trick is to chop it, let it sit for about 10 minutes to activate the allicin, and then add it to your dish at the end of cooking. That's how you preserve its potency and flavor. Want an easy way to get garlic into your daily life? Try making garlic honey. Crush a few cloves, mix them with raw honey, and let it sit. It becomes a sweet and spicy immune tonic that's perfect for colds or sore throats. Or add fresh garlic to your salad dressings, soups, and dips. Just don't overcook it. Garlic is one of those rare foods that blends ancient wisdom with modern science. It's cheap, it's accessible, and it can radically change your health if you know how to use it right. Most people have no idea how powerful this food really is. If you believe that food can transform your health and your mind, then help us spread this message. Like this video, share it with someone you love, and leave a comment below telling us your super fit food. And if you want to keep discovering more about superfoods and how to boost your brain and body, make sure to watch the other videos on this channel. See you in the next one.